Welcome back, data engineers. Now in this session, we're gonna discuss about a real world use case. Let's assume that we are working for an airlines industry and we have this sort of data, the crew data and the respective department data. And what we need to find out, we need to find out the highest salary in each airlines department and the crew members earning highest salary per department. So how can we solve this? So first of all, we will understand this data. And moving forward, we're going to learn about a various new concept, like how can we apply joins in a different ways. Means what are the different ways join can be applied. We're going to learn about sort. We're going to learn about group by, Windows function, and many more. So stay tuned, keep learning. Let's see the data. I have created a data frame just like spark.create data frame, the data and the schema name. So we have this sort of data like crew DF and department DF. So first of all, we will understand this data first. As you can see that for crew, we were having the information, the crew name, their department ID, their respective monthly salary. And for department, we have department ID and the department name. As you can see that the department ID is present in both of this table. And like for 201 is a department ID that belongs to cabin crew and so on. So it is also in data warehousing concept. Okay. Now, what we want to do, we want to find out the highest salary in each airline's department. So, how can we do this? Kindly pause this video for a few minutes and think what will be the first step, a moving step. Okay. Meanwhile, I'm also going to solve this problem for you. So, first of all, we need to combine both of these tables in one table so that we can write query and extract the meaningful information from it. So, how can we do this? We're gonna apply join condition. You are correct. So I'm creating a data frame df join underscore. Okay. The data frame I want to use is crew df join another data frame department df on which column I want to use the join condition. It's department ID. So use department ID equals to department df dot department ID. Which sort of join operation I want? Right, left, inner or outer? I'm gonna use left join. So here, which is the left table? The crew df. And what is left join? Left join means we will have the left table plus the matching records from both of this table. Okay. Now let's see the output. df underscore join dot show. Yes, the data has been combined from both of this table. But as you can see that we are getting department IDs two times. So is any way like how can we eliminate this? Okay. Now let eliminate this. I am creating another data frame named as df join new, the same stuff that I did above. So I'm copying and consuming it here. What I want only department ID should come for one time. So I'm just using department ID. Okay. And just commenting this. And I want to see this data frame, how does it will look now. Dot show. Now we have solved this. Means we are getting department ID one time in the respective column that is needed. Just recapping one more concept, as I have showcased in my last video, like here we have crew DF and department DF. The tables names are a little bit longer one. Then we can use aliases also. So just recapping that, how can we use this? DF join alias. I am creating a data frame for you and crew DF. So if I want to use crew DF, then I can go for alias and see. Okay, means the crew DF should be named as alias for this operation. Join. What I'm going to use department DF alias as D, the same joining operation. I'm gonna use C dot department ID equals to what I'm gonna use means I think so we have missed one thing. This one. So I don't need this bracket. It's good now. Okay. Call D dot department ID. And what will the joining condition? It will be left. We are seeing error here. So we need to import some dependencies or libraries from PySpark.sql dot functions import everything. Okay. Why I'm showcasing this view? So it gonna means you can easily recap and revise this. Okay. And nothing else. So let's see this gonna work or not. Okay. So this is gonna work and yes, same stuff means it's another way to solve this kind of problem. Okay. So let's comment this. Now we have df join new. We're gonna use this only. Okay. Now step one is done. Means we have created a data frame named as df join underscore new. Now second step. What we want the highest salary for each department. Okay. Means what will the highest monthly salary? So I'm creating another data frame like named is as df underscore result. Now what will be my next step for to solve this problem? I can use GroupBy. I can use Windows function. So I'll say I'm gonna use Windows function. You can try GroupBy. If you have any doubts or concern, just push a comment. I'll write a code for GroupBy for you also. Okay, let's learn Windows function and solve this problem in a one single line. Okay, now I want df.join.new. As we are using Windows function, so we need to import the basic libraries for that from PySpark.sql.window. Import everything. Is gonna work or not? What you say? Okay. Now let's do the joining operation. So I want to create a new column. So for this, what we have used with column, what will the column name? It will be rank. And what will be logic? The logic will be like I want to use rank dot. What I want to use over window dot partition by on which column I want to do the partition operation. It's department name. Another will is order by means my data should be ordered based on which column? It's uh, monthly salary. Okay, let's copy this monthly salary from here and paste it over here. Okay, so what will happen? A new column should be created and the name of the column will be rank. Okay, df result dot show. Let's see this. Okay, this is working. The new column has been created. The name of the column is rank and it is showcasing the monthly salary. Okay, based on the department. But the data is not sorted, no? Okay, so we need to apply the sorting condition also. Okay, order by column descending. Okay, now my data is sorted too. But what is needed in the output? They want department name and the monthly salary. But so we need only these two columns as well as only the one record for each department. Okay, so we want to apply the filter condition here. Filter column rank means I'm using filter using the rank column and what I want where the rank is 1. Okay, we are seeing some error here. The object is not callable. Why? Because I have used wrong place. I have to use this place. Okay. Now we are seeing the all of the department with the highest salary. Okay. But in output, as you can see that we want only department and their monthly salary. And my data is also not sorted. So how can we sort this? We're gonna use sort column. On which basis I wanna sort my data? This base. So let's copy this. It will be monthly salary. Okay. And it should be descending. Okay. Not iterable. Column is not iterable. What happened? Why I did? Okay. Filter column rank is equal to 1. Sort. Okay. Yeah. Now my data is also sorted. But I want a information for department name and the monthly salary. So what I can use? I can use select, means I'm selecting a particular column that is needed in the output. What is needed? The department name. And what is needed? The monthly salary. Let's see that. Okay. Oh, there's a one big error. What is the error? Um, we did something really wrong or not? So let's copy this and paste it. And we have department name, we have monthly salary. We are using select operation here. So what is the wrong there? See, only there was some syntactical error. Means the name that we use it's not correct. Okay, and we have seen such a big error. Now we can see that the name, the department, and the monthly salary, it's not a little bit appealing. So how can we do the changes for this? So we're gonna use aliases. So we have learned everything in various separate videos. Now in this video, I'm combining the entire information. So it will be industry ready code for you. You can consume it. Okay. Call department name, alias, department name. Okay. Similarly, for this, what I want to call bracket dot alias monthly salary. Okay. Now the column name is more comfortable and more appealing. So we have solved this first problem. So what we did. So let's recap that. Then we'll deep dive into second question. So first of all, we understand that okay, we need to combine both of this table. We combine that with the help of a joining operation. Okay. And we have learned the three different methods on which we can apply the join. And we have also eliminated one department ID column to solve this problem. Now coming to this code. So what we did, we have used a df.join. We have created a new column with the help of with column. After that, there were various ways to solve this problem, either group by, rank, or dense rank. I have used rank, and rank works like a Windows function, like rank over Windows.partitionBy. The data should be partitioned based on department name, okay, and it should be ordered based on monthly salary, and my data should be ordered as a descending, okay. After that, I filtered the entire data for rank 1 and I have sorted my data for the monthly salary, okay. After that, what I did, I used select operation to select the respective column that is needed, that is department name and their monthly salary. They were not looking good, so I changed their name with the help of aliases. So that's how we solve the first problem. Now coming to the second problem. Let's see how tricky the second problem will be. So we want the crew member earning highest salary per department. Okay. So we want only a crew member details. Is that correct? Yeah. So just consume this question. Means just consume this code and we can solve this problem too. Like we want only crew member information, nothing else. So how can we do this? What will is the column name for crew name? It's crew name. Okay. Let's copy and paste it over there. Let's execute this. Wow. We have solved this problem in one line. So how? Means first of all, we understand like, okay, we need to solve this problem, then we find a good approach, a relevant approach. Like from one single line of code, the entire problem is solved. No, we need to find the lowest salary. And that is to you, means how you will solve this. Just consume this code, think, and solve it. I hope so that you understand this question from this video. Please like, share, and subscribe among your friends. That's gonna motivate me to upload some more meaningful videos for you. Thank you, everyone. Have a wonderful day ahead.